Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. Thank you for coming back again and again. To my new subscriber, you're highly welcome. And if you are not subscribe and be part of this great family. My people, I don't say come back again. Oh, this my one and the sis so Inena Akinji Oluwaseji. This matter what I want narrate give you now, my people. This something happen for Ogun State. This man, when I just say am so, who say you see maybe he don reach 70 years old, not knowing that the man dey 45 years old because of the evil heart wey this man dey do. As him face be like Ogumama, so him face be like all those I no even know how him face even be, my people, because people wey dey do wicked thing na so their face dey be. This man, my people, he get pikin of 13 years old. In your pikin wey he use that in cassava take born. This man, wetin happen that very day wey the something happen, in your daughter she dey learn apprentice tailoring. She dey learn tailor, how to sew and all those kind of thing. Now she dey learn, my people. This man come comot for house go meet him mistress where she for dey learn work. Go tell the mistress of her own daughter say he want make the daughter come fetch water for am for house. So na the mistress, the madam, come say okay, no problem, make her daughter go. Her daughter come go house. Her daughter dey 13 years old, my people. As she reach house na so him papa just grab this pikin. As he grab am finish, he come start to dey kelewa him own pikin, my people. Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Him own pikin wey he born, him own flesh and blood. This man start to dey kelewa that pikin. As he kelewa that pikin finish, thank God say the pikin na person wey get brain. Na the pikin come go straight to the police station. The something happen on the 30th of December last month 2020. Na the something happen. As he do am finish, na the small girl just go police station go report say see wetin him papa do to am o. As he go report, now the police people, they just go straight to the man house go arrest the man. Now the man come dey ask dem say wetin him do wey they come arrest am. Then they come say okay, see wetin you do. The man deny am flat. He say na lie, he no do that kind thing. Now they come bring her own daughter come and say na your own daughter na come report this case give them. My people, make una see wetin dey go on. Hey, all the time if pastor no do am, him own papa person no. Papa wey suppose to take off her own daughter, wey suppose to protect her own daughter from all those danger things, na him papa come even dey kelewa him own pikin, come kelewa the small pikin. Thank God say the pikin even get wisdom, knowledge, take go report. If not that kind papa, you dey kelewa thing wey the pikin go come get belle. Just imagine him own pikin, him own flesh and blood, 13 years old girl. As the something come as in cassava get up that day, my people, if for you go hug transformer, na for even go pass, because that kind person no even deserve to even live. Person papa, person your pikin wey you born come this life, wey you supposed to protect. God give you as a blessing, say take this child, protect this child thing wey that child go grow up. Na you wey be papa wey supposed to protect her, na you come dey kelewa the small pikin. Hey, my people, wonder shall never end o. I no know why all those some people they just dey do that kind evil thing. They no even dey fear God once at all. They no even dey fear God. Just imagine. No miss the man, whether they even do the man they no even do am, because me I no even know, my people. Because how person the man comot for house, e just be like the man just comot for house go call her own pikin, make her own pikin come house. The something dey hungry and the cassava don get up. because the way he take treat the girl come house, because that very day the girl go her own store where she for dey do apprentice for tailoring. Na the man still go there go call the pikin say make the pikin come fetch water. Ask me papa wey dey house, e no fit fetch water by himself, just still comot go where the small pikin for dey learn tailoring. Na the papa come say make e come house make e come fetch water for am, say e wan use the water take baff. Just imagine as the pikin obey him papa, no be say e even disobey am. Apart from say e disobey am, e no even, because for papa to even do that kind thing to him own pikin wey my people, wonder shall never end o. Things dey happen for this life. If you see many things wey some people dey do, you yourself go dey imagine say which kind people be all those people sef? Na God na dey operate on all those kind people, abi na devil? Because the kind things wey some people go do, even the devil sef, the devil go even bow down for them. I no even know the kind heart wey dey even get to dey do all those kind evil things. Just imagine, just your own pikin wey you suffer born, wey you suffer you pregnant im mama, you just dey kelewa the small pikin. If like say the pikin no even report, this man deny am flat. He say he no know anything, he no dey do that kind thing to her daughter. Thing wey her daughter come present, na him daughter come say yes you really do am to am. If not, that man go still dey kelewa the small pikin, dey kelewa till wey that pikin go come get belle. My question is that the question wey me dey ask all those kind people, which taste, which the enjoyment wey dey receive from there, you climb your own pikin like this, you climb and say which kind enjoyment they wan even enjoy for that kind thing? My people, all those kind people wey dey do this kind thing to their children, all those kind, they need to put them for evil forest. So all those kind people, they no even decide to even come life again. They no even deserve at all to even come. They'll just cut down their cassava, so that next time, anytime when they take see woman, especially their daughter, their children, so that they go wrong. Her own father just dey kelewa im own pikin. And now the man dey police custody. The man say he no know wetin he do and he no know wetin dey do. Now so they already dey talk. Once they don do the evil thing, they go say they don't know wetin they do. Na devil work, devil go sit down jejeje. They go dey use their 2 hands and 2 legs go dey find the devil. They go dey use their 2 hands and 2 legs go dey find the devil. Later they come say na devil work. To me, no be devil work. Now wetin dey person mind, na person dey do. Now wetin the papa of this girl, now wetin he don fair dey plan am. Just as he no see the that day wey he just see the target, and then he just go where her daughter for dey do apprentice tailor, go call her daughter say make her daughter come fetch water for him. Getting to there na this man just grab im own pikin. He start to dey kelewa the small girl, 13 years old girl. When the conto, I just imagine, I just tire all these kind of people. I just tire because my people, it is something get as e be. 13 years old girl, your papa dey kelewa your pikin wey e born. It's so pathetic, my people. It's so disgusting to see something like this. My people, let me leave you guys for here, because it's something they provoke person. Your own father was supposed to protect you, supposed to protect you from all these small boys. Now the same papa na cause they climb the small pikin. The matter get as it be, my people. It get as it be. Well, my people, let me leave you guys for here. What do you think? Leave your comment in the comment section down below. Thank you guys. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao. Don't forget to like, share, comment, share with your friends. Okay, bye. See you guys on my next video. Ciao. I love you guys. Bye.